Hey everyone, Dan Hartnett here with Edmunds.com, wanting to come on here and show you exactly how I'm creating what I call a new inventory color report. And what this report has really stemmed from are the conversations I'm having with my dealer partners about the type of vehicles, colors that shoppers are looking at on their website, because they're trying to make the most informed decisions when it comes to their next allocation. Historically, they've always relied on their sales data, but now in conjunction with ASE media interaction, which we're going to get to in a minute, they're able to dial into exactly what colors people are shopping for on their website for specific models. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by going to the Reports tab in your Google Analytics 4. And underneath the Reports tab, we're going to go ahead and scroll down to Engagement. And once you see Engagement, there should be an Events section. Once inside Events, you're going to see every firing event that you have in your Google Analytics, okay? You can start by just typing in ASE, and then all of the Automotive Standards Council events will start showing up. And we're going to focus on ASE media interaction, which is going to be anytime someone is looking through photos or sliders, videos even, what have you. So once that's populated, we're going to go ahead and click onto that, okay? And then from there, we are inside of that specific event where you're going to see a huge amount of different parameters. Everything that'll show you, new, used, CPO, colors, some different types of trims, things of that sort. But to get back on track, we're going to go ahead and select Add Comparison in the top left-hand corner. And then from there, you'll see just on this page, all of your current comparisons, which we'll touch on here in just a second. So these would be all the ones that are already preset or ones that you have saved previously. So once we're inside of the new comparison, we're going to have to add two different conditions. One being that everything is going to be new, and then the second is that it's going to exactly match the specific model in question. So here I have the model condition or item condition set as exactly new, and then the item model set as exactly Equinox, okay? Once you have it set as exactly, it will only drop down the specific models that you have for your respective store. So you may want to pause this, take a look at this to emulate it for yours, but if not, we're going to have two different selections in the top right hand corner. You have either save, which is going to save it and it'll go onto that list that we just saw previously for all of your different comparisons, or you can just apply it for the time being, and then once you get out of the events, it will simply go away. So totally up to you at that point. So once we go ahead and select save or apply, we are back in it, and you can see right up here in the top left hand corner, we have the condition turned on for that comparison. So on the left hand side, you're going to see everything in blue, which is going to be your inventory in total, so everything new, used, CPO, what have you. And then on the right hand side, that's going to be where our comparison is for new Equinox, okay? And we're going to scroll about halfway down the page where we're going to see item color, okay? And you can see that for item color, black is going to be the #1 most interacted media interaction for their website. And that may make a lot of sense for this store. They may have, 50% of their inventory is black. Another thing that may not make sense to them is the #4 color here as far as media interactions, and that's going to be blue. Maybe they only have one blue out of 35 Equinoxes, okay? That may make them want to scratch their head and then look back at sales data and see, all right, well, every time we have a blue Equinox, it actually sells pretty quickly. So for our next allocation, let's go ahead and add a couple blues that were black or, silver, whatever that decision is. But this is where you can start utilizing data on your website in conjunction with data at the store. So it's the 30,000 foot view meeting the ground floor, right? That's the way I kind of look at it. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Email is dhartnett@edmunds.com.